My screen. Okay, readers, it's time for a book. Yesterday we will learn about rereading our books that help us to maybe understand more the book, what the book is about, or if we miss any information, we can read and reread our book. So, remember, when we're starting to read, we always read. We can do these things. We read the title, and remember, we think about what the book will be about. Okay, and then remember when we did a prediction? By looking at this page, and I'm gonna ask the student, what do they think? I'm gonna read the title for you, and then I'm gonna show you the picture, and then you can tell me what the book is about. But remember, wait until I call your name, so you unmute your microphone and tell me, okay? Let me see, I'm gonna stop sharing so I can show you my picture. Ready? Let's start with this. The title is Swing, 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 written by Gail Tuckman, and the pictures or the illustrator by Shelley Dydrex. Okay. By hearing the title and looking at the picture, I'm gonna call on, let me see, Emilio. Make a prediction. What do you think this book is gonna be about?
About parks.
About parks. Wow, that's a really good prediction. You're looking at the picture and the title. Good job. Thank you. That's a really good prediction. Let me ask someone else. Can you mute your microphone? I'll ask. Let me see. Leah, what do you think this book is going to be about?
I think it's gonna be about was she didn't have she didn't have nothing to do outside, but then her dad made a got a swing and made it, and but the dad had a surprise. Made the supplies, and then she really loved it. She really came back on it so many times.
Oh, that's a really good prediction. Almost the whole story. Good job, Leah. Okay, now I'm going to read it to you. Can you mute your microphone, please? Okay. The title is Swing, 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 written by Gail Tuckman, and the pictures by Shaylee Dyrex. Okay. Swing, swing, swing. Look at the picture because I'm gonna ask a few more questions at the end. My swing is so big, I'll get my frog. My frog will swing with me. My swing is so big, I'll get my cat. My cat will swing with me. My swing is so big, I'll get my dog. My dog will swing with me. My swing is so big. I'll get my goose. My goose will swing with me. My swing is so big. I'll get my horse. My horse will swing with me. My swing is so small. There's no room at all. I think I'll swing alone. The end. Okay. Now I'm gonna ask you. We're gonna learn a new thing. Okay, new words. When we read, remember we can go back and reread in case we miss any information. But also, we can retell the story. And by retelling the story, we're gonna start using first, those are transition words that we can use. It's first or at the beginning, and then or after, and also at the end, which is at the end. Okay? Now, this is the part where I'm gonna ask you. I'm gonna read it again, and then I'm gonna ask you what happened first, then what was next, and at the end. Okay? Ready? Swing, swing, swing. Okay. Swing, swing, swing. And when I read it, I need to do the strategy of following my words with my fingers. So I start on the top. My swing is so big. I'll get my frog. My frog will swing with me. My swing is so big. I'll get my cat. My cat will swing with me. Book is coming apart, sorry. My swing is so big. I'll get my dog. My dog will swing with me. My swing is so big. I'll get my goose. My goose will swing with me. My swing is so big. I'll get my horse. My horse will swing with me. My swing is so small. There's no room at all. I'll think I'll swing alone. The end. Okay, now that I reread my book and I want to retell the story, I will say, okay, I'm gonna give you the example first, and then we can read another book. Okay, I'm gonna give you an example because it's the first day. Okay, as I read my book the first time, I was looking at the pictures, I was reading, but if I need to retell the story, for retelling my story, I'll go back and reread it again so I can use my transition words. So I will say, first, what happened first at the beginning, she was swinging alone. Then she kept swinging, and then she will get some animal pets that she had. She takes all the animal pets to swing with her. And at the end, she thought there was a lot, there was no more space at all. So what did she do at the end? She chose to swing alone. Okay. So by rereading my book, that helps me to go back and retell my story with my transition words. Do I have to read all the words again? No, to retell the story? No, I don't have to read all the words because I know what happened at the beginning and what happened then and what happened at the end. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna stop this.